Hello my people, I don't come again. It's the Ogbonge sister where they bring better story come for you. I don't waka come again, no. That's I bring another story wey happen. Now I bring for now. My new subscribers, God bless you. My old subscribers, God bless you for everything you guys are doing for me. Without you people, I'm nothing. You people make my body dey smile every minute, every second. God bless una for showing me love. So I don't carry Ogbonge story come as the thing dey hot, as the thing dey red o. I bring this our people, the our celebrity wey dey act and wey dey sing, wey be musician, wey be dey call Peter. So the wife of Peter, the wife just lost her father. So her in-law, Peter in-law, just die. The father-in-law just die. So you can see the way they are celebrating this thing for the burial, everything. My people, may his soul rest in perfect peace. Amen. So God will take control in everything we are doing in life. So it's our celebrity, you understand, Nigerian celebrity, where everybody know say hi they be. So now so the guy they go their burial, the burial of everything where the father-in-law now die. So as they see them, all of them, they do the burial. Now I carry the story come say make una help me see and make una pray for the person, for the dead, the person will die. May his soul rest in perfect peace. So pray for our father, the father will die. Just pray for him, you understand, because this world, everybody must go one day. If you think you are in this world, you are not going to go one day, it's lie. So you're going to go one day, one of us will still go. So forget anything in this life. You like get all the whole money for this world, everybody will still go. So I won't make una watch, make una see as then they do this thing, as then they go bury the man, as the way they take waka, they go everything where then they do. I won't make una watch, make una use una eye see. But una say no be say I go tell una. I won't make una use una eye see, make una know as the thing they be. Because it's good to know una see with una eyes. May no be say them tell una as they happen. So as I see the thing, I say no, make I bring for my people. Whether good or bad, I go dey bring better story for una. I go bring whether good or bad, I go dey bring anyone for una. Make una they use una eye they see. So I beg, make una help me. Then rest in peace, Papa. So the wife of Peter, the father, she just lost her father. I beg, una watch.
Muito bom.
So my people, una don watch now as e dey be, una don watch everything wey dey happen now. Una don see as the thing dey go now, as dem don go dem dey pray everything, you understand, for the person wey die. So nobody wey no go die one day, but make you keep your hand clean in anything wey you dey do. Anything wey you dey do in life, keep your hand clean. So our sister wey be Peter wife, abeg my sister, take heart for the loss, okay? Take heart. I know it's not easy to lose a father. It's not easy, my sister. So take heart. May soul of your father rest in peace. Amen. So my people, now they tell you, make una help me tell them, make una help me tell the wife as she lost her father. Abeg, una help me tell her she should take heart, because it's not easy. You know, when you lost a father, you know that there's a lot of things where you say you lost. When you lost a mother too, you know that there's some things where you say something important that you lost, my dear. Abeg, make una help me tell am say make she hold her heart, because sometimes na so this life be. No matter all the whole money wey people dey get, no matter all the whole money wey person get, abeg forget. Even though you get all the whole money in this world, you understand this death na wetin person say. You say dem dey buy this, dem dey buy am make person no die. Many of our president, our governor, they will not go gree. They go just buy am, they no go die. But na this one, na God use pass everybody in life. Na this death, na make God use am pass every one of us. You understand? Anybody wey say no go die for this one, na lie, my dear. Unless your time never come. When your time come, nobody. It's why I say, if you dey do something in this world, abi una dey keep una hand clean. Anybody wey dey do anything in this world, keep your hand clean. Keep your hand clean. So wait the time, you no know the time where the time go come. If you be saying na in the night, if you be saying na these seconds, if you be saying na this moment, my dear, no be say make you no enjoy. There's no time, but don't do people bad. It's not good to be doing bad, because if you think that you're doing bad, that you're on top, nobody will talk, nobody is seeing you, or nobody will know anything that you're doing, that nothing dey happen. My sister, my brother, something dey happen. Oh, abeg, make we dey take am easy for the things wey we dey do. You understand me? Because nobody wey no go die. If you like, you have all the whole money in this world, nobody, unless your time never come. All this our president wey dey feel say they no go go, they no go do. If you say dem see as dem go take collect money, take buy the dead, make dem they no die, then go do am. But na this God use am pass everybody. God use all these things pass everybody in life. You understand? Only that dead na be the wahala wey be say people no go know as dem go take do am. Dem go surprise say na tomorrow now na dem go. So na make me dey tell my people say, abeg, make we dey careful for the things wey we dey do, wey be say make we dey keep our hand clean. Keep your heart, keep your hand clean. No dey do evil for people. Because you no know the time wey God call you. You no know the time wey the thing go say. If you be say person dey sleep in the night, you go hear say the person don go. Abeg my people, abeg make we dey keep our hand clean. Make we dey keep our hand and keep our heart clean for people. You understand? Even though people are doing you bad, just use your brain. Keep your hand clean. Don't do people bad. Even though they are doing you bad, just leave them. They will still use their hand, use their leg, come confess to you. Abeg my people, na make me carry this story come and say this our sister, as she lost the father. You know that father, especially women, we like our father so much. No matter, we like our mother much, but we still like our father, because nobody will go say no like him papa. Now I carry this story come say, abeg make una help me tell am say make she take heart for the loss of her father, because that lady is a very great woman and is a very beautiful woman, and is somebody I think that if you near her, she don't have problem. She's a very simple person. But if you dey one side dey look am, you fit dey talk say this woman go dey harsh, but as I see am for my heart as my heart tell me, the woman is a very simple person. She's a very good woman. So you don't look people appearance and judge them. Some people, they will look like they are harsh. Like, if people will look like they are harsh, but when you and that person stay beside, you will know that that person don't have any problem. That person is a very simple people, and people will be talking, this woman is so harsh, she don't see the way she look like. Don't judge people with their appearance the way you see them. People are there. You will see some people, they are quiet, but they are very dangerous. You don't know. Or if you see some people, so now so it be for different places. So as e dey for like people where they say they go frame their face, you think that now so they people will say they smile every second, they are mean. So don't judge people with their appearance. Some people are very clean and very, they don't have any problem. So guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel so I will be bringing better story for now. Abeg make una dey subscribe and share my video. Share my video. God go bless you now as you dey lis ten to my channel. Abeg make una help me drop comment for this our sister. Bye bye.